Attenborough station in Nottinghamshire, which is called.
Hi there guys, and welcome to Attenborough level crossing with me and Joe.
One Delta 41, meeting the train service from London St Pancras to Nottingham, and 1544, 268 from the train service from Lincoln Central Leicester.
It's up there, Meridian.
Do you reckon we'll double stay?
Yeah, you can see it. It's at Beeston.
Oh, there could be 3 trains coming then.
I think the best I ever saw was 5 at Meadow.
There is. Meadow Lane's very busy, isn't it?
Well, you get freight going up to Tennyson as well. And we have 222, 0070. So I remember when I came, I didn't know whether to say it was a station or crossing I was filming, because you can stand here, but you're practically on the station.
Yeah, I know. I call it Attenborough Station. I would. That's quite good quality on that camera.
I'm upset.
It's good quality as well, but yours looks
I'm
quite
upset because the S10's come out.
Yeah, I know.
I like crying. My mate's,
It's a nice phone, that.
mate's gone and ordered it.
How long have you had that for? Is it an S8? That?
S9 Plus.
S9? Mate, you're lucky to have that, you are. Got an iPhone 7 Plus and iPhone 8 Plus, I have. This is a 4-car.
Yeah.
222.
222 102. Yeah, staying. Oh no.